Back at it. Hello. Okay, so I heard this is where the rich people go. I'm just here for the photos. So, okay guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here at the Suzhou village, and this is my second time being here. This is a very nice place for photos. It's very aesthetically pleasing. But right now I'm just waiting for a friend, Celestine. Say hi.
Hello.
Yeah, this place is known for being like really fancy and flashy. So okay, now we're here at Suzhou village, and then yeah, we're gonna start taking photos. And also at the end of the video, I want to show your photos as well. Of course, you know, I have my GoPro here. Okay, so back at it. Hello. She was smiling. I don't know her. I don't know why she's smiling. She was literally just smiling at me. Okay, so I heard this is where the rich people go.
Yeah.
That's why you've been here a bunch. We should do a video where we switch cameras and try to figure it out. Yeah, so this actually, it really doesn't look anything like, you know, the normal look of China. Because, you know, basically when you think about China, you think about the red lanterns, the older looking buildings.
Can you try to do like a European?
Yeah.
It's kind of it.
What do you say?
Kind of it.
Yeah, it kind of is. Ocean. If you think about it, they would want, you know, you to take photos of your brand and like post it somewhere, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one. Yo, where are you running? Where are you running to? Yeah, I like this shot. Let me wait for someone else to walk by. Ooh, okay. These people. Let's see if this looks good. Alright, got one. Oh, this is the perfect one. Yeah, when I came here the first time, there were tons of people. And the thing is, like, when I went there, I was there with a couple friends of mine. We didn't even plan to come here. We just wanted to like go to the Yangcheng Lake and just like see around. And then we just stumbled upon this place and we're like, oh, what is this place? Suzhou village? Yeah, and then we walk in and we're like, where did this come from? Christmas is coming. So yes, these are some of the things that I actually like the buildings. Hello. 早上。早上。早上。你说 hello。Hi。美女姐姐，姐姐。啊，这好漂亮。姐姐，我可以帮你们拍一个照吗？可以啊，可以啊。好的。好的。你们三个拍一张吧。啊，好的。Hello。哦，哇 ，OK。哎呀，好漂亮啊 ！It's like Vivian. That's big sister. Big sister, yeah. It's literally like, oh, that's your big sister right there. Yeah. You never knew about it, but yeah. Yeah, I'm like, what is this architecture? Like, what is it about? I can't even place it. Ew, that could be Greece. Right, yeah. It's just like everywhere put together. Oh, but this is a good shot. This is a good shot.
But the star at the top looks kind of like Argentina. It's really
okay, let me try. not climb up this thing. Can we? Or can we not? Oh, it says it clearly. No entry. Do we listen or do we not? No entry.
Oh my.
All right. Let's move on.
There's cameras.
There's cameras, yeah. We'll just probably be like escorted off the premises. Be like, hey.
If you do it when you leave.
Yeah, when you've gotten all the shots that you want to get. So, shooting in the wrong, I was like taking pictures in the wrong picture profile the whole time. So I'll have to like, you know, do some more work editing later on. Yeah, it's peaceful actually.
Yeah.
I was actually expecting a lot more chaos, but this is pretty good.
No.
You can do like the, you know, the tourist thing that the people always do. You stand there, nah. Right.
How far does it go?
I mean, well, if you look here, it goes up to like the normal distance is 105 mm, but then this camera has like a feature where you can have like a ×2 of that, so 210. But the thing is, when it goes that far, oh, this is a good shot. Okay, so when it goes that far, it kind of loses its quality. So the image, the photos are not going to be as sharp. So yeah, they're decent, but then you wouldn't have like that focus, or you know how clear this one is. So yeah, I like this shot. All right. Did you want to take?
No, it's okay.
Okay. We're probably the only ones here that are not wearing some sort of designer thing.
Yeah.
Or buying some sort of design.
I mean,
Oh, this is a nice looking couple.
oh,
Yeah, that's a good question. Another cool thing could be like actually seeing this place with the night lights.
yeah, it's pretty nice.
Oh, you have been here? Okay, yeah, this is cool. When I take shots like these, I try not to take more of the what do you call them? Oh no, I mean like I try not to take more of like the buildings and you know, the brands. I try to take just like generally the people, or like what people are doing. Is Gucci Italian? Okay.
And Versace.
Dolce & Gabbana. Damn, all the Italians just took over with the design.
I mean, a lot of them are Italian. Many are French, but a lot are Italian. I know too much about designers.
Right. Does this work? I love what the light is doing right now.
Yeah.
Let me turn this down. Usually I wouldn't take a photo of just like a logo, but then I kind of like the effect of the sun rays. Nah, that's not good enough.